In this video, you're going to learn how to use and make the new strategy for Pinterest in doing affiliate marketing and making your content rank number one as a complete beginner in this 2024. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mike Ovens. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to this channel, and let's dive in straight into the video. Ladies and gentlemen, this keyword research tool for Pinterest, meaning you want to rank number one on Pinterest. If you want to post on Pinterest, this is where you go for your pin. And for you to rank number one on Pinterest, there's a tool you need to be using called Ahrefs. So you can start making your first and $100, first $1,000, every amount you want to make in this 2024 as a complete beginner. If you want to rank number one on Pinterest and make money on Pinterest, this tool is called Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a tool that helps you rank higher and get more traffic on every social media on Pinterest as well. I'm going to show you a screenshot of one of the files one of my screenshots I made during this keyword research using Pinterest. I mean, let me go to my files. Let me go to my files. If I go to my files, I'm going to show you exactly the tool, how it works. Now this is how the tools work. The tool is Ahrefs. This is the Ahrefs tools. I don't have the paid plan, so I thank God I have the screenshotted version here, so I can screenshot. I can show you and teach you right from my screen here right now. So this is how the tool works. When you come to the tool search bar, you want to search for any content or any niche, any keyword title on Pinterest, because this tool has a possibility of giving you the data being searched on Pinterest every day, every month, and every year. Now if you want to search for anything on Pinterest using this tool Ahrefs, this is what you type in pinterest.com/ the keyword you want to type or you want to search for in any niche. For example, I typed in living room. Now these are the related keywords that are there: modern boho living rooms, two color combination for living rooms, then Japandi living room, then luxury living room, then dark brown couch living room ideas, then small house open concept kitchen and living room. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to show you something. This tool is very great tool that you should miss or you should abandon to use. This tool has possibility of ranking higher and getting more traffic for every post you post, every pin you post on your Pinterest account. If you want to post a pin, like for example, you come here and you pick up something like living rooms. Let me see this as a living room. I guess this is the living room. This is the living room. You want to post a pin for this living room. Now what you do is this: you come here, right? Like I said before, we have keyword title here. We have keyword title like modern boho living rooms. People are actually searching for this, and you can see the volume of this keyword, which is 4.7k people searching for it. And now I put the difficulty. Where is it? The difficulty, don't compare. Like this is the compare. This is the compare. The competition, or compare your keywords by size or whatever you're searching for on that actual keyword. Now the traffic is 1,390 depending on the website. On this website, meaning this person actually created created content for this keyword, so that's why it's showing the traffic of this person here on this place. So if you want to create content, you want to post on Pinterest, this is the tool for you to use. It's a tool that this is the best tool ever on the internet for you creating content on Pinterest and making it go and rank number one on Pinterest. Ladies and gentlemen, please, I want you to find this video worthy of what it says. Now let's go to the pricing of this tool. This tool, before it was $99 as a starter, but now it's now $129 per month as a starter. Start at, you see that, $129 as a starter. Let's go down more. These are what you're going to get. You're going to get 5 projects. You're going to get 6 months of history. You're going to get 1 included user, meaning it's only 1 person that can use it. Then you're going to get 500 credits per user per month. Now you can get up to additional user, up to 2 additional users. Then you can also get $40 per month users. This is light included version. Now included in light version, the dashboard you're going to have, or these are what you're going to have in your dashboard. You're going to have site audit, rank tracker, competitive analysis, SERF, P histories, and page inspect, local SEOs. That is doing keyword research on your local area, meaning you want to search for keywords in that your vicinity, in that your local community, or whatever, or wherever location you're living in. Now as a starter, limited access to Site Explorer. As a starter, like what you're going to get as a starter, you're going to get limited access to Site Explorer, Keyword Explorer, and Site Audit for those who are just starting out. This is for starters. For getting started, you get $29 per month. You can see that if I click get started now, it's going to ask me to pay $29. You can see that if I got $29 now, I'm going to pay that as a starter. Can you see that? I don't know how their system works, but as I was saying, 120 something, but now I'm saying as a starter, this is okay. That is for limited person as a starter. Before they do give 7 days trial, but now I don't know why they don't do that anymore. Maybe because their company is now out, so people know them very well. Now as you can see, people are actually joining every day. We have 13,000 users join Ahrefs in the last 7 days, or get a free Ahrefs webinar masters. Now this tool is actually trusted by marketplace from the whole world leading companies. You see, Pinterest also trusted it, Dell company, Capital, so many, even Shopify, Expedia, or Fosto, whatever place, Alibaba, Adidas, Uber, PlayStation, Adobe, eBay, IBM, Zoom, LinkedIn, so many, even HubSpot as well. So many websites actually trusted this, all in one SEO tool set. Now, as in this what this tool gives you as a starter, or if you want to use the tool as a beginner in this 2024. It give you analysis of your competitors. It also find keywords your customers are searching for. It also audit and optimize your website. It also discover content ideas and link opportunities. It also track your ranking progress. This is how it is here. How you're ranking on Pinterest. It tracks everything you're doing there on Pinterest. Now it's also a best in class SEO data, which been crawling the web for over 10 years, collecting and processing petabytes of data every day. Ladies and gentlemen, if you find this video helpful, please make sure to like this video below and subscribe to this channel if you want to get more videos like this, and I'll see you all in my next videos. Thanks for watching.